In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Discord or bots in general, you'll be able to follow along and have music playing in your server by the end. First, make sure you're logged into your Discord account on your browser. You'll also need to have a server where you have the manage server permission or be the owner of that server. Without that permission, you won't be able to invite a bot, so it's worth double-checking your role settings before you start. Next, open a new browser tab and search for a trusted Discord music bot. There are several popular ones available, and they usually have an official website. From the bot's website, look for a button that says something like Invite, Add to Discord, or Add to Server. Click that, and it will open a Discord authorization page in your browser. On this page, you'll see a drop-down labeled Add to Server. Click that drop-down and select the server where you want to install the music bot. If you don't see your server listed, it usually means you don't have the right permissions on that server, so go back and fix that first. Once you've chosen the server, click the button to continue or authorize. Discord will now show you a list of permissions that the bot is requesting. Typical music bots need permissions to connect to voice channels, speak, and read messages. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks reasonable. When you're ready, click Authorize. You may be asked to complete a quick verification to confirm you're not a bot yourself. After that, your music bot is now added to your server. Open the Discord app, go to your server, and look at the member list on the right side. You should see the new bot appear there. If you don't see it immediately, wait a few seconds or try switching channels. Now, join one of your voice channels. Most music bots are controlled with simple text commands that you type into a text channel. Usually, there's a help command, like help, or a short prefix followed by help, that will show you a list of everything the bot can do. Use that to learn the exact play, pause, and skip commands for your bot. From here, you can start playing music by pasting links from your favorite music or video platforms, or by searching directly through commands. Adjust your Discord volume and enjoy background music with your friends right in your server.